What's up, YouTube? Back with the sneaker division one more time. Jeremy Cash. We got a special guest host today.
Patrick Robertson here.
This is one of my friends. Every single time I've mentioned my friend Pat caught this or my friend Pat did that. This is Pat. We were actually able to secure a couple different things this month, or well, I should say last month, in December, with Supreme. So today we're going to go over all the different things that we were able to get with Supreme. Where do you want to start, man?
Oh, we got so much. I mean, we got a good haul this year. I guess let's start off with the backpack.
A little background on this. VF Corporation is a corporation that bought, I guess they own Vans, they own Jan Sport, they own North Face, they own a whole bunch of other things. Anyways, they just bought Supreme as well. So now they have Supreme inside of their portfolio, and they bought them for $2.1 billion. Which is funny to me that Supreme's like a resale thing, and then like a guy has bought the original Supreme off somebody else, and then
the branding.
So like the original guy who made it sold it,
yeah.
And then the guy who bought the brand now has sold it again for another resale profit.
And they keep going, and they keep going up. So here we've got the North Face fanny pack.
It's fanny pack. That's what I call it, man. That's what I call it.
They call it waist bags. It's a fake fur waist bag. But it's a fanny pack.
Faux fur.
Sure.
That's what it is.
Fake
How do you say it? I always say faux. I mean, it's a fanny pack, guys. You know it's a fanny pack. This is North Face and Supreme together. Now, the problem that I feel like, and we actually kind of both have come up with maybe, is that with VF Corporation buying Supreme, they might oversaturate the market. It might ruin the brand itself, because the whole point of Supreme is that they release things in limited quantities. And then because they're so limited, that's why they're coveted. And because they're coveted, that's why they go for resale price.
That's right.
We'll see what happens in the future, but who knows? So that's the fanny pack. We also got the matching backpack. So this is the faux fur North Face Supreme green. Was this dark green? I guess it is.
Yeah, it's like
night green is what it's called. But I actually like this, man. I like it a lot.
I would rock the backpack.
Yeah, if I was a college student, if I was a high school kid or middle school kid, I really wouldn't care. Like, I probably would still rock it. I wouldn't be upset to have gotten this, but this isn't something that I probably would have like
not as a kid
desired as a child.
No,
probably using this for like potentially like going on trips to like airports and stuff like that. Whenever that'll be my carry-on bag. This one we haven't opened yet, but I know exactly what it is. It matches the thing. Aside from the fact that it's Supreme, it is the other backpack.
Bam.
And the other fanny pack.
So from the green, we now have
the red.
The red. So they came with red, green, and black for the 3 different colorways for these.
Yeah.
And right now on StockX, it looks like black is slightly being a little bit more coveted for most of the resales on them.
Yeah.
But also the green is going up really quick. So the green was a good cop. The reds are kind of hanging out at resale or retail price right now.
I like
but
the red a lot. I like how it pops a lot more in my opinion than the green. Like the green, you could barely tell it's green. This is like very.
This is red. Yeah. This is almost a Supreme red.
Yeah. This is nice though. I like it a lot. Which one would you guys go for? Would you rather have the red set or the green set? Green's my favorite color, so I'm kind of partial to that. But I also just really like the way the red pops.
Bad. I thought it was gonna look a little bit trashier than that, man. That actually looks nice.
Yeah.
Like, it's a good red. It's nice, vibrant, bright. It's a good red.
Definitely. Now, what else?
That was within like the first week of the drop of December. Next, I have what I just happened to acquire a week ago.
So this is like an entire outfit, right?
Well, they dropped them out of separates, as they always do. Everything's separate. But they had a Supreme ribbed hoodie and ribbed sweatpants, and so I ended up getting them both in this ash gray color. They had about 7 different colors for them. I think the sought-after colorway this time around was a green colorway.
So as you can see on the hoodie, the only place that it says Supreme is around the actual hood. And then it's got a tag on the side. But other than that, it's literally just a regular plain gray sweater.
Yeah, it's a regular gray hoodie. It's got the tag on the inside, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. And does it have the front pocket? Does it have a full front pocket?
Let's see. It does have a full front pocket.
All right,
all the way through. That's nice.
That's good.
This is just, it doesn't sit on the one leg, right? Yeah, so like this one.
Just on the left leg.
Sweatpants, and it's the left leg.
It's the left leg.
So starting here, going all the way back. I mean, it's a pretty cool little set to like have. Obviously, like this would be really nice to wear.
Kind of cool is you even have a rear pocket on the right.
Yeah.
On the sweatpants. Usually you don't get pockets on sweatpants.
This would definitely be nice to wear for like a warm up for basketball game, anything like that. This would be really, really nice. Or even honestly just wearing around the house. But
nice, comfortable.
These are very comfortable looking. Simple, not too overstated.
Alright, next we have the I'm gonna butcher this really bad. It's the Chanel Applique.
That's as good as what I could have said it. So.
Yeah. But I enjoy it. This is a nice, thick orange hoodie.
Yeah, it looks really thick.
It's got the Supreme all the way around in a circular pattern. And it's got like a varsity letter in the center. And then as it says here, it's got the New York, London, Paris, and Tokyo on it. I really like it. This is one I'm going to be keeping for oneself.
Yeah, he's a big, huge fan of orange.
I'm a big orange freak.
Favorite color. And again, my favorite color is green. So
the hoodie's nice, big.
That's if you're wondering why we always get green and orange things, it's because of us. It's our colors.
These are our colors, yeah. Feel how thick the material actually
is. No, it is.
It's
like,
a very thick, nice hoodie. Like, this is definitely keep you warm here in Florida on your what few cold months we're gonna get. I like it. And it's got a small Supreme label on the side, and then on the inside it still has the Supreme logo as well. So
yeah,
it's checking out.
This is a size medium too.
Medium.
So wait, whenever you bought this one, how much was this going for?
This one, when it was going for, it was $168.
And then like if you were to resell it right now.
If I were to actually resell it, I'd get $100 on it because it's going up for $275 now. Already,
and that's
on the orange color, and this is just the orange color.
It's pretty much like you almost just got this too, so it's like pretty much that you ordered it to the time that it got to you, it raised over $100.
Almost $100 on this one.
And there's a reason why reselling Supreme it can actually work out for you guys like really, really well. So. And
it can. The duo set that we just showed before, retail on the sweatpants was $148. And the resale on the sweatpants right now on that ash gray color is $235.
So that's already almost again.
And that was today I was checking. So that's almost $100 right there just on the sweatpants. And then on the sweatshirt, you're only coming up $30 right now. So
but again, if you're selling it on StockX, sorry, or Goat, then the problem is there. Then you got seller's fees, you got all this other stuff. So like a good place maybe to go that we're finding out is kind of like eBay. Maybe not everything will be authenticated there for buying purposes, but for selling purposes, there should be no reason why you can't get this kind of stuff sold. And they're even doing authentications on Jordan and Yeezys now. So if you have a Jordan or a Yeezy that you want to sell, like they're gonna authenticate it for you, and it's gonna be like actually guaranteed for them. If you want to buy some shoes to them, I've seen some good deals on there actually. Now this last one is gonna be.
This isn't the last, but this is the
sorry.
last big item.
The last big item. But we got this is called from Refrigerware, right? Or Refrigerware. Refrigerware.
Refrigerware. They're a jacket, cold clothing company.
Yeah. Oh, that's the other thing too. So a lot of the companies that VF Corporation owns, they make a lot of outdoor clothing already. So like for them to buy Supreme and do some things with that, like we're probably going to see a lot of outdoor clothing, jackets,
soon. This year
maybe
gonna be
tents,
probably pretty big
and different things like that. We're going to have like a lot of different like outdoor stuff I think coming up. But this thing actually looks really dope. Again, it's orange, but it's a full jacket too. It's not just a sweater or a hoodie. This thing is thick, like super uber duper thick. This is definitely something you want to wear when you're in New York or something like that.
And then it's got a nice furry collar on it. I like that.
Yeah, nice furry collar. You got 4 pockets. You got 2 at the top and the chest. You got 2 at the in the bottom down here. And then if you flip onto the back, you got this giant Supreme holding dog. Like he's just holding the label right there. That's it. I mean, to me that looks awesome.
Yeah. I think that may be the Refugees little magic.
Refrigerators?
Yeah, little mascot.
Yeah, it's possible. But yeah, that's a cool ass looking dog.
Yeah. And then on the front, on the buttons have Supreme and Refrigerator wear on them as well.
Okay, so that's where you
nice
also see the crossover part.
Go on down.
And so the inside, it has Refrigerator and Supreme on the tag, and then you also got a pocket, I believe. Or what is that?
It's either for pens. It's either a pen pocket, or if you're
it's a pen pocket or a Sharpie.
Say if you're working in a cooler. I'm just saying, if you were a guy working in a cooler, you have to have this. This is somewhere you can put your thermometer.
Yep, easily.
A little small thermometer up there. I mean, that's what it's for. I get it. That's nice. I like it.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's very thick.
And they only came in 4 different colors. The other 3 were plain. This was the only out there color.
Vibrant
so
color.
I had to get this. I had to pick it up. I knew this was going to come up. And so on this one alone, the retail on it was $188, and the resale now is already up to $267 on just this colorway at this size. Yeah. So, and I expect to see this go up because people are gonna destroy it. It's gonna be nice.
Yeah, and that's the other thing too. It's so thick, and it actually looks like it's very good material. It's not gonna
super
degrade
thick, very well done,
very easily, in my opinion.
Yeah.
So the last 3 items we're gonna group together. Just 3 different hats that we found.
All 3 caps.
Yep. This orange.
This one's peach, and then this one's reactive blue.
Reactive.
Yeah,
okay.
They call it reactive.
They call it reactive. We'll see. It doesn't really react too well. As far as I expect 3M as soon as the light hits it,
it's gonna change color.
It does not do that at all.
In the sun, it would have changed color, or heat react, and it doesn't do any of that.
Yeah, it does nothing. This is the Gore-Tech or the Gore Windstopper hat, though. So this one is supposed to be made with a breathable membrane that is supposed to be wind stopping, it's called the wind stopper. So it's supposed to stop all wind from hitting you. Oh, that's not really nice. I like the label for the hat too. It's a really nice classic Supreme logo. It's not like the normal Supreme. It's like a classier version of it.
Did the on that logo though? They did T-shirts with that logo too.
Okay, yeah.
Those were in the same drop as these. And then, so this one's another wind cap, the camp style wind cap, reactive blue. It's got Supreme on it in a purplish color.
Yeah, repeated all over. And then obviously the box logo on the front of it too. So that's really nice too. It doesn't have on the back. It's actually got it open, so that's another reason why it wouldn't be wind proof or whatever like the other hat would be.
Yeah, and then it's got a snap up top. The only thing I don't like about this style is the tab. When you actually go to adjust the size, they don't have anywhere for you to tuck the tab, so it just hangs out. And if you have a small head, that's a lot of hangout.
Yeah.
And tucking it away doesn't look good. It doesn't look good.
Unless you just cut it off, I guess, and burn it or something like that. But
yeah.
Again, you're destroying property at that point, or destroying it from resale value, anyways. And the last one, you thought this was orange too, right?
I thought this was orange, and then when I went back, I realized it was a peach. This is the small Supreme logo 6-panel Cordura.
So what are these going for, or are they going for anything?
These right now, actually, the Cordura is going for $57, and the retail was $48. $50 pretty much, Add a little bit of shipping onto it, $53 is pretty much what I paid for it.
And then the
shipping.
blue one?
The blue one, what was it? The same price on the retail was $48.
Yeah.
The resale is $59 right now, so just a couple bucks more.
Pretty much what you paid for.
Yeah, but the one for, if you happen to get the olive green one for this one, that's the one that actually went up in price. That's at $100 for a resale. So that's actually pretty nice for a resale.
So it's double the price, basically.
Yeah, almost double the price, yeah.
So it always depends on what colorways you get, obviously.
It is. That's always the plain. So this month also they had a lot of the cross box
What did you
logo.
want to get that you couldn't get?
I wanted to get a couple of the cross box logos they had. Okay. They had a shirt, they had a jacket this year.
And why do you want those specifically?
Resale.
Because you've looked up and just basically all the research you've done.
All Supreme box logo goes for higher dollar.
Thank you. That's what I wanted to get.
Always. It doesn't matter the colorway. It doesn't matter. Those box logos are the first things to go on Supreme.
Yeah.
That's it. They go. Disappear. Bye.
No matter what color you want.
Yeah.
It always
you have to be there. Shirts. You have to get it. That has to be the first thing you grab once you go to a Supreme
drop. If it's a shirt, if it's a jacket, if it's a hoodie, if it's a a hat, like whatever. It doesn't matter. If it has a box logo on it, it's gonna sell for sure. For sure. Pick those up.
Like this small box logo will go up.
Yeah,
it will go up because it is a box logo.
And that's the thing too, guys. With this resale game, like it is all about patience and waiting on things. Like if you want to grab things so that you can flip them instantly, those are going to be the ones that you know for a fact are going to instantly flip for double or triple. And that's whenever you really want to go for those. Like if that's the type of reselling that you're trying to do. Now if you're trying to do what I'm doing, what I'm doing is I'm just trying to collect. I'm just trying to collect and collect and collect and not wear the shoes or the jackets or any of the things that I'm buying. And then what we do is we're going to end up selling them 5, 10, 15 years from now, whenever nobody else has these shoes.
That's right.
So I'm starting now. This is when I've just started my collection this year, and I've already bought like over 60 pairs of shoes this year.
Yes, you have.
I'm just starting. And so and I'm not looking at this as anything else other than a savings account. So like literally, if I wanted to right now and get all my money back, I could go sell all these shoes individually, and I could, even if I take a little bit of a drop just so I can sell them faster, I would still end up getting all of my money back.
You still
for
have a small come up.
And possibly come up like maybe $1,000 total on everything that I bought. So, and that would be with me selling things quickly too, not even like waiting around. And it also, by the time that I am ready to sell, that I have a good enough name or good enough reputation that I don't have to go sell on StockX or Go or anything like that. I can just sell on my own website, and people will just trust that everything that I have is legit because everything that I buy is legit. I don't ever want to buy anything fake. If I do buy it fake, it's because I either got ripped off or I'm trying to make a video to prove a point about what not to buy. But anyways, guys, it was nice. It was a good episode. Until next time, it's nice to be important. More important to be nice.
Later, Sneaker Division!
Thanks for watching our video, guys. There's more over here if you like where that came from.
Remember, like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. We'll catch you later.